Hello everyone, this is Celestial Jacoby and I'm going to talk to you about the friends list on Facebook. Someone who's in marketing, this is a really great way to do target marketing and I highly suggest going in and dividing your friends list. So, how is that done, you might ask? Well, let me show you. Just like anything on Facebook, these things just stumble across. Anyhow, let's go to, this is my home page. So basically what we do is just click on home. And down here you'll see friends list. So there are these ones right here which have these people icons. Now these are custom lists. And then everything down here that has icons are called smart lists. And these are basically, the smart lists are kind of created based on what you have, like business pages, what you've mentioned has been a part of your life, high school, college, where you've lived. And Facebook just kind of creates these on its own. But these always update according to the status that people have, changed on their site or on their own personal page. So sometimes you don't have too much control over this except for family, close friends. And that would basically be, let me go into my friends page I have. 1 second. That's my home page, friends. Okay. All right, so basically, there's my lovely mom, and you can see on this list I have her set as family, so she's on there. My sister, she's on family too, my other sister. Let's see, and then Mary, I have her on our Remax list too. Oh, not yet. Let me just add her here. So here's a quick one. I'll show you that I met Mary through Remax, so I'm going to also mention that. So she's on my friends list and my Remax list. And I'll probably put a list later for Southern Oregon and just communicate with them. So let me just show you quick how you do that. So if I wanted to create a custom list, basically go over here. So once again, this was the home tab. Let me just jump over there. So you clear your home tab, you go down to here to friends list. When you click that, it's going to take you to this. Then create another list. I'm just going to write Southern Oregon friends. Now whenever you add someone to a list you create, they will not be notified if you add them to those smart lists, which are, go back. These smart lists down here, there will be either notification, it'll ask them to verify, like if I wanted to add someone to Hinds Ranch High School, which is where I graduated, it will ask the person whether they attended or not, and it'll be a request from me. So some people, depending on what the list is, some people are not excited about that, especially lately after, people realizing what has been going on with Facebook starting in January of this year. So I just kind of keep my own custom lists and try to keep them as clean as possible. Just know that when you create a list, it might take a few hours for it to start showing up, so don't get stressed out if you're like, I can't find my list. Just give it some time, walk away, or just take a look at it tomorrow. So what I'm going to do now is go back to my friends. Let me just refresh to make sure that list will show up. So I'm going to see if I can find that list for Southern Oregon friends. I just made it. Good. Okay, I'm going to put her on there too. All right. And then basically, so I'm going to go through everyone on my friends list and just sort them on basically based on what kind of messages they want. Because one thing about marketing, so target marketing is way more effective. You don't want to keep sending the same message to everyone. Something I'm going to write about, what I love about art, some people might not care to hear. So I don't want to bombard them with it. So I'm going to keep these lists divided based on what I know that they like. And that way, if something interesting is happening in Southern Oregon, I can send a message to Southern Oregon friends saying, hey, this just came across my radar, check it out. And that way my friends in Colorado won't be annoyed by an amazing concert coming out here, or vice versa. So, like I said, that's just kind of the basic of marketing and really clean marketing. So I highly recommend, once again, coming in, go to your friends list, create some lists, go into your friends page, and put everyone on a list. And when things change with them, if they move somewhere else or that they're not interested in something anymore, please keep your lists updated. Your Facebook experience will be much better. And the other cool thing, so not only when you post something can you specify who's going to get it. Let me just show you that real quick. I'm just going to put test, and I'm going to do more specific friends. And once again, there might be a few lists I just created that don't show up right away. It takes a little while. So here's everyone. So I'm going to put a list. I'm going to put like family. There we go. Family list. I can do RPS as another list. I can click that. So basically, you can go in and start creating the list based on your message. And here's another cool thing. So let's say, as a business owner, let's pretend like I'm the business owner of the Oregon Zoo. Yay. And we're having a Twilight Tuesday event. It looks like fun. So the other good thing about having your list is you can invite friends pretty easily. So, and you can go based off of like things you've hosted, events you've attended, groups that you're part of. You can reach out to people in there, or have befriended. So that always helps too. But you can also just go back to your list. So if I just want to invite everyone from RPS or Remax or family or Eugene people, just select all or select a few. So that's how you do that. So basically, like I said, the sooner you can clean your list, get them sorted, the sooner people will start getting the messages they want to hear, which once again makes everyone happy. So that's my tip for Facebook, and hope you find it useful and start utilizing it right away. All right, have a great day.